Hey everyone, I'm Michael, and today we're going to be doing a troubleshooting video on our 2-gram CleanAF full spectrum vapes. Now, overall, these vapes are relatively simple and easy to understand. When you purchase one of these vapes, you're going to get it in a box, looks like this. You're going to open your box up, and inside, you're going to pull out a vape that is sealed in a bag. Now, in most situations, you're just going to be able to rip this bag open and start using it. However, there may be a couple things that happen that are going to make this vape either not usable or make you need to get a replacement. One of the first potential issues that could occur are these vapes could potentially leak. Now, it's not a super common issue, but it is an issue that we've come across. One of the biggest times that we see these vapes will leak is if it is shipped in the mail, and due to the pressure changes or due to the mail truck being really hot, it can potentially heat this oil up a lot and make it very, very thin. If the oil gets way too thin, it's going to sort of break the seal that's in the coil and cause the vape to leak out through the bottom. So if you purchase a CleanAF 2-gram full spec vape and it is leaking, meaning you take it out of the bag and you see a bunch of oil at the bottom of the bag, let us know. We will definitely send you a replacement. It shouldn't be a common occurrence, but things happen. So potential issue number 1, the vape could potentially be leaking. Now let's go into potential issue number 2. You take the vape out, you take your rubber protective piece off the mouth and you start hitting it, and maybe it seems a little bit clogged. Now, if it seems a little bit clogged, all you should really need to do is just hit it a little bit harder. The oil in these actual vapes is not extremely thick. This is a crystal resistant distillate, so it does have a little bit of movement in there. However, if too much oil makes its way into the chamber, it could feel like it's clogged, but all you're gonna need to do is just hit it a little bit harder. That coil should kick on, the vape should start working again. As you can see, in the beginning, this was a tiny bit clogged, but I inhaled it, I put some pressure behind it, the vape started working, we're good to go. So if it seems like it's clogged, just inhale it a bit more. You shouldn't need to heat it up. It shouldn't take too much pressure. The oil in here is already relatively thin. Now, the third potential issue that could occur is maybe your vape charging port doesn't work. So you smoke it, you smoke it, you smoke it, and all of a sudden the light at the bottom starts to flash, indicating that the battery no longer works. So our chargers on this is a micro USB. It's not a USB-C like the new chargers. This is more of an old school charger. Your micro USBs, you're gonna plug it in. Your light should turn on when you plug it in, indicating that the vape is charging. However, there's been situations where you plug the vape in, the light doesn't turn on, and that could be due to some wiring issues with the charging port, or just potentially the battery just went bad. So if you're smoking on your CleanAF full spectrum vape, you go to charge it, it doesn't charge. As long as you still have, a decent amount of oil left in your tank, let us know. We'll send you a replacement. In the end, we want you to have a good experience with our products. And if there's a defect or an issue or an error, that's not on you guys. We want to take responsibility. We want to make sure we make the situation right. So if your vape is leaking, let us know. If it seems clogged, just try and hit on it a little bit more and it should get unclogged. If your charging port stops working, let us know. In general, you really shouldn't be too concerned. You shouldn't have really any issues at all, but issues do occur occasionally. So if you come across an issue with any of our products, please let us know. We'd love to make it right. If you have any other questions, either head over to our website, cleanafcbd.com, fill out the contact us form, or you can go to DistroMike.com and fill out a contact form there. We'll make sure to get back with you and fix whatever problems you may have. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a loyal CleanAF customer. We will talk to you soon.